So there was an important update from Cognizant just now that the opportunity want to be a part of Cognizant. So this is the mail the candidates have received. I will tell you what is this survey mail. Will it affect my selection chances or not? And is it mandatory to fill up the form? And if you don't want to be a trainee engineer, should you fill this? And if you don't fill the survey mail, will you get rejected or not? So we will discuss all the questions in this video. So first of all, I will address what is survey mail. So this kind of link you will get. If you open this link, you will be that opportunity want to be a part of Cognizant is the heading, and there will be a description of job description where there will be some terms and conditions that you have to carefully read. Okay, you can read it visiting the link, and the designation is engineer trainee. So the next question is from many candidates is that they have a problem with engineer trainee, that they don't want to join engineer trainee, rather they want to join a full-time Cognizant agency post. So the problem is that Cognizant doesn't offer uh, a full-time offer from Cognizant agency, rather you have to do this engineer training, so you can't avoid it. Okay, so you can't avoid it, and you have to fill up this form, otherwise you will be straight away rejected. There, if you suppose you have to put your superset registration ID, that is all you got from your college, an email ID given Cognizant at the time of enrollment. It is not the superset email ID, that is the Cognizant email ID, that the mail you are receiving from Cognizant, that email ID. And you have to mandatorily, please note that you have to mandatorily select yes option, because if you select the no option, they will straight away reject your application. So please keep this in mind. And I have observed that the many candidates are not watching the full video. So, and they are telling that I am not giving the correct information. So the point is that if you don't watch the full video, then you will not get the essence of it. Okay, so please watch the full video. So this is the mail from the Cognizant. The dear candidates, greetings from Cognizant. We are happy to provide you an opportunity. Want to be a part of Cognizant? Please click the below survey link to know more and take the survey to share your interest to this opportunity. So they have clearly mentioned that if you have interest in this opportunity, then only fill up this form. Otherwise, you don't have to fill. That means directly that if you don't fill up this form or ignore this mail, again, if you don't fill up this form or ignore this mail, the Cognizant will understand, will take it in this way that you are not at all interested in this position. So they will reject your application. That is a system generated thing, that is not a manual thing. Okay. And the next point, that some candidates have not received this mail. So what should they do? So generally, they will either send you this survey mail before your tier round or after your tier round. So this has nothing to do with your rejection or selection. Means some candidates have understood that if they have not received this survey mail, they are rejected. It is not the case. You will receive the survey mail. Maybe after HR round also you can receive. So don't take tension about that. Just give your interview and perform your best. So that's all from this video. And one more thing, that if this video is helpful to you, please like this video. And there is a playlist that Cognizant agency, there are more than 16 videos from Cognizant, and there here you will get most of the updates that recently Cognizant agency have done. So what is the selection process and what are the problems the candidates are facing day by day. So I have made many videos on them. You can, if you have any specific problem, you can just watch that video and get your answer. And if you still have any problem, we have a Telegram group. You can join the Telegram group by clicking on the description of this video, where you can discuss among your peers who are already uh, have done some process in Cognizant agency, or some of the candidates are selected also in Cognizant agency. So you can directly ask questions from them, and I will also hold some doubt resolution sessions where I will answer all your comments. It is not possible for me to answer every comments, because I am receiving more than 500 200 comments per day. So it is not possible, but still I try to answer first some comments. So if you are watching this video right now, you can write the comment. I will answer first some comments, that will be possible for me, and rest of the doubts you can ask in the Telegram group. Okay. So if this video is helpful to you, please like this video and subscribe my channel to get more future updates.